Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to display a countdown timer on a slide in PowerPoint. What we're going to do is we're going to use an add-on called Slice Timer. Now, if you don't have it already installed, just go to the Microsoft Store and you can add it in. So there's Slice Timer. And as you can see, by default, it's going to show up in the middle of my slide. So let's move it over. And now we'll set the timer. I'll just say 5 seconds, but as you can see, you can set any amount of time as you want. You can have it automatically start, or you can manually start it. And let's save that. And when I click on it, you'll see that it starts to count down. And time is up. And we can reset it again. Now, when we go to view this as a complete slideshow, we'll see that in the upper right-hand corner. Click on it, and there's our countdown timer. Now, if we need to modify this, let's exit the slideshow, go back into the editor, click on the settings, and you can change that countdown timer again. Now, if you need to make it smaller, just click and drag on the corners of it. You can make it smaller, and now it doesn't take up as much space on your slide. So again, you can find that by going to the Insert menu, selecting Add-ins, and the add-in is called Slice Timer. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com and practicaledtech.com.